This is Tim McNulty with MarineMax Palm Beach. We are doing a walkthrough on the awesome 420 Galeon fly. Nice fly bridge, very social motor yacht. So let's take a look. As we step on board, it's a nice open cockpit. Walk through transom to a huge hydraulic swim platform. It can be used as a tender, hard bottom inflatable jet ski with integrated stairs. Drops down about 3 feet in the water. Nice L-shaped lounge. It also pulls out into a sun pad. All teak deck. Let's walk in the salon. As we enter the salon, nice horseshoe dinette. Also drops down into a berth. There is a cushion that goes into the insert as this table folds out. You have your lower helm, very plush, nice leather interior. You have a nice grain walnut. Lower helm, bow thruster, full electronics, full controls. This one is our galley down. You have two options on this boat. This is a 2-stateroom galley down or a 3-stateroom galley up. Nice and open, full view. These obviously closed for privacy, but it gives you a nice full open, again, nice open social motor yacht. These back partitions open up. This lounge goes out into the cockpit, so on a nice day, a bug-free day hopefully, this entire area becomes a great social area. Let's take a look at the staterooms. As we walk forward, you have a queen size island berth with your own private master head. Galeon does a fantastic job with all the storage. Wherever they could put storage, they do. Again, nice and open. You have walnut shades that also add to the privacy. Your TV, your full closet. And let's go to the guest stateroom. Guest stateroom, starboard side. Again, a lot of storage. This also has inserts that make it a full king size bed. So if you want, you have the option of 2 twins or king size. It has its own AC unit as well. And right on the starboard side is the very luxurious, beautifully laid out guest head. And as we make our way back, there's our galley. Full fridge, stove, sink, and again, wherever they can put storage, they put it, even on the stairs. These are 3 drawers that pull out. Now let's make our way up to the bridge. We're up on the bridge. Nice L-shaped lounge with a full entertaining table. It has arch and full bimini. The bimini can fold away if you want more sun. On the starboard side, we have a full wet bar and sink. On the port side, we have a fridge, small freezer, and the nice 110 grill top. Forward, we have a sun pad, companion seating on the port side, and a full upper station, upper helm, twin D6 435 diesel Volvos with bow thruster, full electronics up. So this becomes a nice, not only point of running the boat on a nice day, but a very social, entertaining area. So that is a very quick tour of the beautiful Galeon 420 fly. Come on by, we're at PGA Marina in Palm Beach Gardens, MarineMax Palm Beach. Come on by for a full tour.